Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering Symfony 3. So in the previous video we learned how to send email in Symfony with SwiftMailer, and now in this video we will go and first create a form here in Contact Us, and then we will send and after that we will use like send an email but with this form. So first, to create this view we need to go to the controller. So let's go here, let's go to our default controller, the one in our app bundle, and here we need to create a new function so that she can take us to the contact show.html. So public function, let's name it, for example, contact. You can name it whatever you want, just a name. And in the return we need a render, so we'll just copy this, pass it in here, and make for the moment this array empty, and I need an annotation in here, so I will go and copy that. So copy, paste in here, and here slash contact, and here the name contact also. So save, and here also it's contact.html.tweak. So now we need to go and create this contact HTML. So let's go here to our default and let's create this new twig file. So here it is. So let's go in here, let's copy, for example, this. So copy, paste it here, and I will delete all of that. So delete, yeah, all of that, and here it just for test, let's, for example, contact page, it's save, or let me let the hero. So here, maybe I will type it in here, contact page, and here contact us for more info, for example, info, and warning, I don't know, let's give it default, for example. And now let's go to our master page and let's add the path and href. So copy, and here, and we name it contact, so contact, and let's do the same also for the home. I think the name, it's a home page. Let me just check here. So index, yeah, it's a home page. So back to the master page, home page, save. Now go back to our browser, refresh this. If you want to like do also the path here in the home, and also with the one which called Bulma in the brand, I think, yeah, here it is. You can also type it in here, so that you can also click on that and to redirect you to the home page. So now let's click on contact, so contact, and now it's a contact page, it's our page. This default doesn't look good, we will change it. Let's change it, for example, to let's see dark, if it exists also in Burma. Refresh, yeah, now I think dark, it's better. So the important that we see that this route it's working, or this method in control it's working. So let's go now to the next thing. So now let's go and create the form. And as you know, the form in Symfony, we don't create it here in the twig, but we create it in our controller. So here, let's make a variable form equal to this, and create form builder. And here we type like the field of this form. So first add from, then add let's name it subject, and then add body, and after that submit. So add send, and its type submit type dot class, and now get form. So get form, and now semicolon. So now we finished creating of the form, so let's go and add function. So first, if the form is submitted, and if the form is validated, so form is valid. And here I need to now type I will make it a comment, for example, for the moment, and here like code of sending mail. But first let's go and see this form. So to see that form, we need here to pass it as an argument. So let's name it form, and let's give it slash form create view. So create view. Let's save. Now let's go and receive this variable form in our contact.html.twig, and don't forget to use this submit type here. So make sure that you have this submit type because you're using it in here. So now let's go here and add or call and receive the form. So we use the variable or the function form, and inside of it we put our variable form, and this form is this variable that we send. So if you put here something else, you need to put same thing that here must be in in here also. So now let's go, let's refresh and see what we will have. And see, now we have this form from subject, body, and the bottom send. So now let's go and customize it. So now since I'm using like Bulma, so I need to have a container, and inside of that container some columns. So container, and inside of that container columns, and inside of that columns let's put, for example, column. Here I forget to dot because it's a class. Let's put it also, for example, so is offset 1/4, so 1/4, and let's put also is half. So let's generate that, and inside this div, if you remember, in Bulma we use the field inside, it's the form control, so dot field, let's generate, and inside this field we need to have label with class also as label. Not that we will use it for the input, we need to be in under class of control. But here let's call our first field is the from. So let's go in here, open this, so form label, inside of this form the name of the field it's from, and here we put like the characteristic or the option of that field, so it's null. And the other thing is the attribute, if you remember, so label attribute, and it accepts an array, so here class, and we name it label. So this is for our label, and for the input we say that he need to be inside control division. So here we will just copy this and paste it in here, and here it's form widget, so widget form without a null in here, and here attribute it's class input. Let's save this. Let me change this to HTML so that you can see this in color. Now it's better. Save. Let's go and see what it's look like in here for the form, and after that we will just copy label. I put something label there, so let me just go and see where is the error. Here it's between single quote, so label, and same thing in here also. So now save. Let's go and refresh and see. Yeah, now why it's not changing. Here we see the from, but we don't see the input. So I will do the same for the other, and I will after that check them all at once. So this one for the subject, so here subject, also in here, yeah, subject, what we have other body, so here body, here also body, and now the bottom, or the bottom. So copy this, delete this, and here I will delete also this because it's just an input. Here type equals submit, and class, let's give it for example